Sophie, I'm heading to the barn. You want to come? We could really use the free labor.
As much fun as that sounds, Chloe, I think I'm gonna stay here and work on my vlog. Today, I'm making slime.
Slime? In our room? Really? Tell me how that goes. I'm gonna be gone all day, but you can call me if you need me. Like if you accidentally glue yourself to the wall.
Chloe!
Again.
I am a professional now. And what? You don't think I can last one day on my own?
No, of course you can.
That's right I can! And I'll prove it to you. You won't get a text or a call from me all day.
What are you gonna do at lunch? We all know you can't cook.
I'll just ride my bike down to the mall. Don't worry, Chloe. I got this.
Okay, good luck. But I still have my phone. In case you need me.
In case I need her. Ha! Now that she's gone, I got the whole room to myself. Time to make some slime. Excuse me, you're about to make what in my house? Slime? You mean a mess. Mom, I need to make slime for my vlog today. Sophie, do you remember the last time you made slime in the house? What was that? Slime? Sophie! Mom, that was an isolated incident. It's happened 5 times, and I still can't get that purple slime out of the carpet. Look, Sophie, if you want to make slime, you just have to go into the garage. In the garage? But Mom, there's spiders in there! Well, since I can't make my video at home, I might as well head over to the mall and grab something to eat. I bet Chloe would know what to do. No, I am not gonna call her. I can figure this out on my own. Chloe, is that you? Look who couldn't last a day without me, huh?
Sorry, baby, but it's Grandma.
Oh, hey, Grandma.
Can you meet me over by the old grocery store?
Sure. I was headed that way already.
Great. See you there.
Okay. I wonder why she wants to meet by the old grocery store. Hey, Grandma.
There you are, baby. Look at you. You're getting so tall.
Thanks, Grandma, but why are we meeting at the old grocery store?
Well, your mother told me that you needed a little more space. Since I own this place and it's just sitting here collecting dust, the last girl I was written to decided she wanted to open a booth at that new fresh market. Since the store is now vacant, I thought you could use it.
Wow, really? But, Grandma, I could never afford the rent on this place.
I'll tell you what, let's make a deal. You start making some of them videos out at my barn for little advertisement, and we can call it even.
Thanks, Grandma. You're the best.
All right. Now go on in and get the place cleaned up, and give me a call if you have any questions.
Thanks again, Grandma. Oh, she is so sweet. Oh, come on. Seriously, Grandma? This place is a mess.
Oh, wow. What's that smell?
Old fish? I think Grandma just played me. But this is a great space. And with a little hard work, it could be totally awesome. Hard work. My nemesis. Wow, that only took like several hours. But I did it! And I still look fabulous. But this doesn't really look like me. I think I'm gonna have to remove these shelves. Maybe if I carefully take them down, I can repaint them and put them back up. Sounds easy enough. Just gotta use a little elbow grease. Ugh! Oops! I ripped off part of the wall. How was I supposed to know that was wallpaper? It's barely even noticeable. Let's just keep going. Yeah, okay, so maybe that's pretty noticeable. But it's okay, we can just add a little paint and cover all of this right up. This sounds like a good idea, because seriously, when have I ever had a bad idea? Oh no, paint in my hair, bad idea, bad idea! Who am I kidding? I can't do this by myself without Chloe. We're sisters, we're twins, we're like a team, we're always together. Well, except for when she goes to the animal shelter by herself and to the barn. Wait a minute, Chloe does stuff without me all the time. If she could do it, so can I. A little bit of independence could be good. Just because we have a few different hobbies doesn't mean we're not sisters, twins, or a team. And I know she'll always be there for me when I need her. But today, I'm gonna do this solo. Okay, so I am not the best painter, but it works. We'll just call this hashtag Sophie Slime Style. Now what to do about furniture? I know! I can reuse some of the old stuff from the grocery store. Add a few books, a potted plant, a throw pillow, and of course a Care Bear. They are the perfect accessory for any room. Add a few extra details, including my slime collection. What's up, Nemo? And I'm finished! This is the perfect place to make my slime videos! It's like out of a dream. Wait, am I dreaming? Ouch. No, I'm not.
Well, isn't this place pretty? Sophie, you've done a fabulous job.
Thanks, Grandma. And I did it all by myself. You're looking at a master fixer-upper.
I am so glad to hear that because I've got this dusty old storage room at the farm. It's filled with cobwebs and spiders. And I'm gonna need you to fix that up for me. Thank you, dear.
Wait, Grandma? Spiders? Where is my glue? I need to gather some supplies so I can make my slime. Oh, there it is, under my bed.
Sophie, I'm home.
Oh, hey, Chloe.
You know, we really could have used your help at the barn. How was your day?
Well, you will be so proud of me. I pretty much remodeled an entire building by myself without complaining much.
Really?
Yeah, just check my Insta story at my froggy stuff.
But Sophie, why are you crying here?
Oh, just skip that one. Let's go for burritos. We want to give a shout out to Keep the Peace. What's up? Sophie Darbie here, and it is slime time! I made some clear slime earlier. It just hasn't cleared up yet. But we are going to add a little glitter. Glitter. Lots of glitter. Lots and lots of glitter. And then mix it up. Sticking to my fingers. All right, here we go. Little slime action here. And voila! We have Sophie's glitter pink slime. I should really come up with a cool name. Like Pink Spacecrafter Nebula Slime.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. I'm a natural.
Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and The Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!